Hello, my name is Hassa Yusuf Hassan Abdullah Shehi and my partner Rehan Muhammad Ibrahim Al-Tayyib. Today, we'll be talking about our research called Smart Window for Bulging Temperature Control and Self-Cleaning in the Buildings of Qatar. The importance of the research. As we all know, Qatar is located in West Asia, which is considered one of the hottest countries in the world. And now, with climate change, temperatures have risen even more. So we decided to take this negative thing and turn it into something positive by creating a smart cutting-edge window. The challenge we have discovered is the growing struggle people face with extreme and unpredictable weather changes caused by climate change. Some people cannot afford heating or cooling or maintaining indoor comfort. Our smart window offers it all, an all-in-one solution. A window that can manage indoor temperatures, self-clean, and open and close.
Our objective: we aim to develop a smart window system for buildings in Qatar that integrates bulging temperature control and self-cleaning, and improve the indoor comfort by utilizing advanced materials and sensors based on automation. The study aims to optimize heat regulation, minimize dust pileup, and contribute to sustainable building solutions for Qatar extreme climate. The stages. The first step, the goal and the target group of the research have been determined after a few students complained about the class temperature and how the sunlight reflection affect their vision. And it's hard for them to focus. Moreover, there are some employees complain about the high temperature in the office, despite of the presence of the air conditioner.
The second step, we have contacted an engineer in Ashghal, Engineer Hussein, and asked for ways to solve the problem, and he gave us some tips and showed us the materials we'll be using in the construction of the window.
Third step, the tools and the requirements of our research has been determined according to our researching and previous smart windows.
The fourth step, we have made a wide research to discover similar devices and windows that have been made for these buildings, to compare them with our smart window to make it more useful for companies and public buildings.
The fifth step, we have made a manual design to clarify the idea of our smart window according to our collected information and figure out that there is a smart window that uses specific material to change the color of the window to reduce the temperature.
This is the smart video that we are going to explain in our video.
Sixth step, we have made a manual design to clarify the idea of our smart app. It can control the indoor temperature by heating or cooling and notifies the owner when there is dust detected on the window, and it can also automatically open and close by the click of a button. We designed it using IB's PaintX. We have also designed a manual app using MIT App Inventor. Seventh step, we made a 3D design of our smart window using Onshape website. We have also made a flow chart explaining how the cooling and heating sensor is going to work. When the temperature is higher or equals 30, the output would be temperature high, start cooling. But when the temperature is lower than 30, it would say the temperature is low, start heating.
We have the devices. First, the servo motor, which can control the open and close of the window just by a click of a button using our app. And it's also going to notify the person if you want to open or close the window. Second, we have the thermochromic smart glass, which is tense and change its color to a darker one when exposed to the sunlight. And it's also going to control the amount of the sunlight that enters the building. Third, we have the MQ135, which is connected with the servo motor and it's a temperature sensor.
And lastly, we have the PM2.5 air quality. It detects when there is dust, and when dust is available, it blows out air to automatically sanitize. The results, after developing the devices and trying it out in Ashghal, they gave us their opinion that it was very easy to use and has a quick response, and it saved very much time for workers in the buildings. The two challenges we faced were first, the lack of tools available to make this research, and secondly, the lack of time we had to make this experiment.
The result: after our testing and the observation of two buildings, we have noticed that our smart window may achieve a good percentage of the required goals because the construction engineer were impressed with the window.
We highly recommend that Ashghal in the country should invest more in projects that make the country more eco-friendly and match Qatar's 2030 vision environment development. And we would also like to expand our project worldwide, especially for developing countries, because this can be a very eco-friendly and low-cost gadget that can change many people's lives.